Decision making process. Decision making process is the logical stepwise approach that is used to make a choice between options to solve a problem or to solve a dilemma. This process is applicable to your own decision making as it's to business decision making. Steps in the decision making process. The decision making process consists of 8 steps. They are the identification of a problem, identification of decision criteria, allocation of weights to criteria, development of alternatives, analysis of alternatives, selection of an alternative, implementation of the alternative, and evaluation of decision effectiveness. Identification of a problem. This is the first step in the decision making process. The act of finding a problem and acknowledging that it exists. Problem means the difference between what is and what should be. Example, nutrient analysis software in clinical nutrition department needs upgrade means what? This nutrition department is having one software that consists on all specifications required for the nutrient analysis, and the respective analysis can be done with the help of the available information. But as the time upgrades, the time needs demand that this software is insufficient, its internal specifications are insufficient. So the department wants to upgrade their nutrition analysis software. Identification of decision criteria. This is the second step in the decision making process. Determining which factors will have the most relevance in solving a given problem. For example, in the nutrient analysis software to be upgraded, the second stage says the list required and decide specifications for the nutrient analysis software. Allocation of weights to criteria. Once we have identified the specifications that decide the priority of the specification, that means which is at the highest priority, which is at the lowest priority, and then assign corresponding weights to each specifications. Allocation of weights to criteria is the third step in the decision making process, which assigns each established criterion a ranking in terms of importance to the decision that is to be made. Correct prioritization of the criteria selected in the previous stage. Not all criteria will have the same importance when it comes to making the final decision. There is normally only one criterion, with the rest being weighed up against it or against each other. In our example, ranking in terms of importance to the decision that is to be made. The following table shows the corresponding specifications and added weights to it. For example, the criteria food in database requiring nutrient analysis is having the highest priority. This ingredient of food in database has the highest priority, so that the weights are assigned as 10. Second specification is the nutrient in database, which is equally important as the first one, so out of 10, 10 weights are assigned. Third one is foods, recipes, externals, which requires the third priority, which is 9. User friendliness 8 weights are assigned. Speed of software 7 weights. Price of the software 6 weights are assigned. Updates or customer support 5 weights are assigned. Site license 4 weights are assigned. Customized reports 2 and handheld version with interface is having the lowest priority, so weights are assigned as 1. Development of alternatives. This is the fourth step in the decision making process. This means being capable of grasping and presenting all the feasible options that might successfully resolve the problem. Example is the research available software packages, means what you have to do to upgrade the nutrient analysis software. So find out which are the vendors provides the nutrient analysis software, what are the latest version consist of, the various parameters or specifications required for the best option. Analysis of the alternatives. This is the fifth step in the decision making process. The process of comparing and examining the alternatives available by measuring them against the same standards using only relevant criteria. The person responsible for decision making must study the proposed alternatives in detail. The strengths and weaknesses of each one should become clear when compared against the criteria selected and ranked in stages. Example, quantified analysis. This corresponding table shows the criteria matrix analysis for choosing a nutrient analysis software. First column says criteria and in brackets corresponding weights assigned as per the priority. Now we have 3 alternative options, option A, option B and option C, or we can say the 3 nutrient analysis software by different vendors. For the given parameters, it is having some scores like option A is having 90 points for the first parameter food in database, option B is having 100 points for the same parameter food in database, whereas option C is having 80 points for the same food in database parameter. Likewise, for every parameter, these calculations are done. At the end, we take the addition of scores column wise. Then option A reaches 479 points, option B reaches 467 points, and option C reaches 532 points. Selection of an alternative. This step involves choosing which alternative will best solve the problem based on the analysis that has been done. Example, choose software package to purchase. Our matrix shows the score of the three different alternatives, which suggests that the option C is the most suitable alternative because the total score of C is largest compared to B and A. Therefore, by the analysis, option C Newton analysis software is selected. Implementation of the alternative. This is the seventh step in the decision making process. The act of carrying out the decision that has been made often involves communicating exactly what is to happen based on the decision. Example, purchase and install software, train dietitians to use it, enter data, etc. Evaluation of decision effectiveness. This is the eighth and the last step of the decision making process, receiving feedback about the decision that has been implemented. Should identify was it effective, efficient, appropriate and adequate. In the example of Newton analysis software, we should ask, did the software upgrade improve efficiency, quality, patient service, etc.